Here we have one of my personal favorites. This is the GE Profile front load washer and dryer in one of their signature colors, which is the Sapphire Royal Blue, which I personally love. It also comes in white too, so if blue isn't for you, don't worry, they have another color available. It is 5.3 capacity, so you're getting a very large interior. As you can see right here, we do have them on pedestals, but don't worry, they can come off the pedestals and you can stack them for smaller spaces, even for second floor laundry if you wanted to add somewhere to hang up clothes or add a sink. A bunch of different options to kind of, make sure that this kind of set really fits into what your needs are. Some other cycles that I really like personally, you do have, your delicates, your cold wash, has a smart dispense feature, which is going to be right here in the dispenser. So what you're going to do is you can actually add, it does not have to be tied, but you can add an entire bottle of detergent up to 50 ounces. And the unit is actually going to essentially weigh the amount of clothes and then enter the detergent automatically. So no guesswork, the machine does all the work for you, which is awesome. You can override it as well if you want to add different detergent, things like that. If somebody in the household has a sensitivity, you can kind of override that too. Different cycles through here, you have your sanitize option, which is great for those colder months when everyone is getting sick, as well as a soak rinse for sanitizing and what they are known for with their ultra fresh vent. I'm going to take a step over here into the dryer. Again, really big capacity. I believe this one's actually at a 7.8 capacity. So most of them are about 7.4, so you're getting a little bit bigger here, which is great for, those beach towels, bigger blankets where you just need a little bit more space to kind of help that, heat circulate through to make sure everything is getting dry. Couple different options. You do have the quick dry, your delicates, a static reducer. You can add more time and less time through here, wrinkle care, and then of course you also can connect both of these to Wi-Fi and change the settings completely through your phone. I have done it in a previous video and I will tell you it's really easy. Theirs is one of probably my favorite apps because it's just really kind of easy to navigate through and there's not a lot of guesswork. So as I said, we have the GE front load profile set right here in the royal blue, but it also comes in the white.